The monkey is in front of the door. The monkey is behind the doors. The monkey is between the doors. The football is in front of the chair. The football is behind the chair. The football is between the chairs. The spoon is in front of the cup. The spoon is behind the cup. The spoon is between the cups. The mouse is in front of the watermelon. The mouse is behind the watermelon. The mouse is between the watermelons. The rabbit is in front of the house. The rabbit is behind the house. The rabbit is between the houses. The dog is in front of the rock. The dog is behind the rock. The dog is between the rocks. The ant is in front of the orange. The ant is behind the orange. The ant is between the oranges. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Subscribe to my channel. Get notified.